Wilson's signature Nike A1 line expands with a bold new Sequoia colorway, designed exclusively for big kids. Perfect for the fall season, this edition features a deep Sequoia green mesh and synthetic upper, accented by bright, electrifying green details on the molded swoosh, tongue logo, and medial foam inserts. The contrast between earthy tones and vibrant highlights gives the shoe a fresh, energetic look. Performance features remain consistent with the original model, including a sculpted foam midsole for lightweight cushioning and a radial traction outsole for enhanced stability and grip, ideal for active youth athletes. Originally introduced as a women's performance basketball shoe for WNBA star A'ja Wilson, the Nike A1's expansion into youth sizes reflects Nike's goal to inspire and support the next generation of hoopers. Official look of the big kids Sequoia Nike A1 have been released, with a retail price of $95. Expect the pair to hit Nike.com and select retailers this fall.